I'm Bridget from the Lake County Public Library. Today I would like to share with you some of our new services that we're offering amidst all of the changes that have been taking place in our world. YouTube is where you'll be able to find the virtual story times that we've started to do, and we also have middle grade book tastings, the book talks, and even Mother Goose on the Loose will be premiering shortly. All of our videos premiere at 10:30 a.m. on their respective scheduled days. And to find the calendar, you can go to our website, lcplin.org/kids. And this website is a really useful tool. It has our Keep 'em Busy, educational, fun kids page where you can find early literacy activities. There's a calendar even if you want to have some structure each day. There's something new that you can do with your little ones. There's STEM and cardboard challenges that are listed there that you can try your hand at, and most of those are materials that you would generally have around your house. There's craft printables and videos for you to watch, and there's early literacy tips there as well. More information about early literacy can be found on our Getting Ready to Read at Tumblr.com blog, and this is where there are videos, crafts, activities, all with early literacy in mind. And there's a few other places that you can get in contact with us now as well. So the kids, if you'd like to respond to any of the videos, challenges, basically give us feedback on whatever it is that you'd like to let us know about, you can send us an email at kids@lcplin.org. And some of those we will then in turn share with you guys and let you guys know that, we definitely did get it and that other people can hear what you had to say as well. And if you do have just other questions, you can always feel free to do the Ask a Librarian question, which is online on our regular website, or you can give us a call. There are librarians that have special phones now that they can answer your calls without having to be in the physical branches. So we just wanted to let everyone know that even though the physical branch is closed, the library is still open. We have lots of staff members eager and ready to help you guys out through this time, and we all hope that you have a good rest of your week. All right, thank you for watching.